Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's dive into the future and talk about how 6G technology will revolutionize combat strategies with AI and robotics. First things first, what exactly is 6G? Well, 6G is the next generation of wireless technology expected to be 100 times faster than 5G. Think about that for a second. 100 times faster. This isn't just an incremental upgrade. This is a quantum leap forward. So how does this tie into military applications? Imagine having real-time data from every unit on the battlefield seamlessly integrated and analyzed by AI. This isn't science fiction, this is the future. With 6G, latency is practically eliminated, meaning information transfer happens in real time. This allows for instantaneous decision-making, crucial in combat scenarios. Now, let's talk about AI-assisted collaborative combat aircraft. Picture this, a squadron of drones flying alongside manned aircraft, all linked via a 6G network. The drones and aircraft communicate in real time, sharing data, sensor information, and even executing complex maneuvers together. AI algorithms can analyze threats, suggest evasive actions, and even autonomously engage targets. This transforms aerial combat from a reactive to a proactive endeavor. Ground forces will see a similar transformation. Robotic units equipped with AI can seamlessly integrate into human squads. These robots can take the lead in dangerous situations, gather intelligence, and even provide logistical support. With 6G, the coordination between human and robotic units becomes flawless, enhancing both offensive and defensive capabilities. Naval warfare will also undergo a significant change. Imagine fleets of autonomous ships and submarines all networked together. These vessels can share sonar, radar, and other sensor data in real time, creating a comprehensive situational awareness map. AI can then analyze this data, predict enemy movements, and optimize defensive and offensive strategies. This level of integration and real-time analysis can give naval forces a substantial edge in maritime conflicts. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of 6G is its potential for augmented reality applications. Soldiers on the ground could use AR glasses that overlay tactical information directly onto their field of view. Imagine having real-time data on enemy positions, terrain analysis, and even suggested routes, all available at a glance. This enhanced situational awareness can drastically improve decision-making and operational efficiency. However, it's not just about offensive capabilities. 6G will also play a crucial role in defensive strategies. Enhanced encryption and cybersecurity measures will be essential to protect these advanced networks. AI will be key in identifying and neutralizing cyber threats in real time, ensuring that our communication lines remain secure. In summary, 6G technology, combined with AI and robotics, will fundamentally transform combat strategies. It will enhance our situational awareness, improve real-time decision-making, and integrate human and robotic units in ways we've only dreamed of. The future of warfare is not just about having more powerful weapons, it's about having smarter, more integrated systems. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of military technology. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.